Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose. If you're new here, welcome. So today I am reviewing this Amazon hair. The brand is called Diha, and they sent me 8 packs of 14-inch, I believe, goddess box braids, and they sent it to me in black, and they sent me all these little extra fun tools, including crochet needles and some clips. So I am just showing you guys what they sent me, and I'm showing you guys the hair. The hair looks really good, and it does come in different colors like brown, 27, 30, ombre. I even saw purple and blue. So they come in like a whole bunch of different colors, and I was counting, and I believe I counted 12. I did not like say how many I counted, so I don't remember, but I believe I counted 12. And I am doing my friend Stephanie's hair today for this video, so keep on watching, guys. Alright, so this is my friend Stephanie. She will be my model for today because I already had this wig on, and I kind of wanted to try something different on my channel. So she's just explaining me what she wants, and we forgot to wave at you guys, so hello. It was a little funny moment, but she cornrowed the back of her head, and now I'm just doing the front, and I'm parting. She wanted a side part, so I am parting the side part off, and I'm going to show you guys what technique I use to make those braids look like they're individual braids. Also, shameless plug, check out both of our TikTok pages. We did some pretty funny videos on there of the hair transformation, so go ahead and check out our TikTok pages. I will put the information down below. So I'm not sure what that method is called, but it's kind of like, in a way, I'm like intertwining the braids into each other. So like the way I do it is I start from the front, so I don't start from the back, because the front braid has to go inside the second braid. So it's kind of like a braid and a braid and a braid and a braid. So it looks like a cornrow, but it's not really a cornrow because it has the box square parting style. So this is why it's like important to do it that way instead of doing like a actual cornrow, because the cornrow is gonna go like straight back into one braid, but if you do it that way, you like kind of like separate it into different sections, so it looks like it's different squares. So this is why we trying to do that way specifically for the box braid, just because like we just wanted to try something new. And also the box braid is not the same as butterfly locks or like twist. Like I was not able to like individually like do the other method I had did for my previous video, where I put my hair inside the lock so it looks like it's a single strand, and then the back is cornrowed and crocheted. But like this one is different, so now we have to do a new technique for that. So I'm just showing you guys how I'm doing it. So basically, as you can see, I already did the first 2 strands. So now I'm just gonna explain how I did it. So you see how the first strand and the second strand are intertwined in between each other. So I just made sure I parted the hair in a way that like the box were like layered like bricks. they're not one on top of each other, they're like in between, so like forming triangles. And I use my Shine and Jam in the purple bottle, and what I did was I separated the hair that I parted in two, and then I grabbed the third the strand from the previous braid. I made it that third strand, and then I just braided into it, but I did not braid the full strand. I just like braided halfway so I can put it inside the next strand until I finish to the last strand, where I completely braided the last strand. It's pretty easy, it's pretty simple. It's nothing like extra to it. I feel like the technique comes when you're about to like apply the crochet, but that's basically how you're supposed to do it. It's like you're putting a braid inside another braid, and then just make sure that your lines are straight and stuff like that. So this is just like a quick time lapse. I'm just gonna do the full front of her head, and then I will continue explaining you guys what the next steps are. Alright, you guys, so we did half of her head, and she was just shocked at how she looked like in front of the camera, just because like we did like most of her head, and then half of her head was bald basically. So we were just laughing at that, but like this is how the hair looks for now. If you want a tutorial on how to apply crochet, I can always make one, and I also have crochet tutorials. My butterfly lock tutorial shows you how to apply a crochet also, but for this video I just wanted to focus on how to apply box braid crochet because it is different from other types of crochet. So the way that I did it was, you see how I inserted the crochet needle inside the box braid, like inside the square, and then I basically started like that. I inserted the braid in each square, and then wherever there was like extra space to fill in, I basically went in and I filled it in. So what I did was I put the needle in, and it already comes with like a knot, a pre-made knot. So I pulled that in, and then I grabbed the hair from the bottom with the needle, and then I pulled the needle in the knot because the knot was really small. It's not something that you could grab with your fingers. And then that is basically it. So I just kept on doing that for all the box areas of her whole head, and then I went in after and filled in the spots. So this is basically it for the video. It is a pretty simple style. We finished it in 2.5 hours. We were in a hurry, so like we tried to finish it quick. The longest part was just like doing the front cornrow braids. That's the part that took the longest, but other than that, the second I started putting in those crochet strands, it went by so fast. I put them all in within like maybe 45 minutes. But yeah, this is basically how the hair turned out. I had like a pack and a half, a pack and like 3 strands left. So then we went ahead after and put the rest of the hair, but we both had to go somewhere, so we were in a hurry. But that's basically how the hair turned out. It is a quick crochet style. So yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day and have a good one. Bye, y'all.